Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we want to make a beautiful and amazing crochet double-sided beret hat together. I made this beret hat for adult size, but you can adjust that and make that for each size you want. You can use this side of your beret hat or turn around and use the other side of that. If you're ready, let's get started. I want to use this yarn, Sadef Zanjir. This is the information of the yarn. That's 100% acrylic and 4 millimeters hook. So start the work. And make one slip knot and then make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make one slip stitch into the first chain to create a ring, and we should make 12 double crochets into the ring. For the beginning, make one single crochet into the ring, and after that make 2 chains. This single crochet and 2 chains counts as first double crochet, and then make 11 more double crochets into the ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, make next double crochet into the ring. Again, 1 double crochet into the ring, and continue that work until reach 12 double crochets in total at the end of round 1. At the end, make one slip stitch into the second chain after the single crochet and hide this tail. Round 1 is finished and we have 12 double crochets in total. And now we should increase the number of stitches in this round. So make one front post double crochet around each stitch, and after that make 1 double crochet at top of the same stitch. For making the first front post double crochet, insert the hook around the first double crochet and pull a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops to create 1 front post single crochet, and then make 2 chains. These single crochet and chain 2 count as first front post double crochet, and after that make 1 double crochet at top of the same stitch into the second chain. Okay. Then go to the next stitch and work 1 front post double crochet around that. And 1 double crochet at top of the same stitch here behind the first front post double crochet. Repeat that work. Go around the next double crochet and work 1 front post double crochet, and after that go at top of the same stitch under both loops of that and make 1 double crochet, and continue this work. Work 1 front post double crochet around each stitch and then make 1 double crochet at top of the same stitch, and continue that work until reach the end of the round, and at the end the number of stitches should be 24. Round 2 is finished and we should make 1 slip stitch into the second chain after the single crochet and start round 3 again with 1 front post single crochet around the first front post stitch, and then 2 chains as the first front post double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet into the same chain, the second chain. Okay, now go around the next double crochet and make 1 back post double crochet around that. Yarn over, insert the hook from the back to front to back around that, and pull the yarn to back, yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Go around the next front post double crochet and make one front post double crochet around that, and after that work one double crochet at top of the same front post here, and then go around the next stitch, next double crochet, and work one back post double crochet around that. One more time. One front post double crochet around next front post, one double crochet at top of the same front post here, under both loops of that, and one back post double crochet around the next double crochet. Actually, we should increase the number of stitches again in this round from 24 to 36. So make one front post double crochet around each front post, and then one double crochet at top of the same front post, and then make one back post double crochet around each double crochet, and continue the sequence until the end. Now at the end, make one slip stitch into the second chain and start round 4 in the same way. Make one front post single crochet around the first front post, and after that 2 chains as the first front post double crochet, then make one double crochet into the same chain, the second chain. Okay, now we have 2 stitches after that, one double crochet and one back post double crochet, and we should work one back post double crochet around both of them. Yarn over, go around next double crochet and make one back post double crochet, then make one back post double crochet around next back post double crochet, and in each part we have one double crochet, one front post double crochet, one double crochet and 2 back posts. Again, repeat that work. One front post double crochet around the front post, one double crochet at top of the same front post under both loops of that, one back post double crochet around the next double crochet, and one back post double crochet around the next back post double crochet. Repeat these 4 stitches. One front post double crochet, one double crochet at top of the same stitch, and 2 back post double crochets. And continue this sequence until the end. Now at the end of round 4, the number of stitches is 12 more than stitches of previous round, and we should make one slip stitch into the second chain after the front post single crochet, and start round 5 in the same way. Make one front post single crochet and chain 2, and then make one double crochet into the same chain, the same second chain, or one double crochet at top of the same stitch. And now we have 3 stitches after that, one double crochet and 2 back post double crochets, and we should work one back post double crochet around each of them. 1 and 2 and 3. And in this round we have one front post double crochet, one double crochet and 3 back posts in each repeat. Repeat that work. One front post around the front post, one double crochet at top of the same front post, and one back post double crochet around the next double crochet and next 2 back post double crochets, 1 and 2. Continue that work. We should work one front post around each front post, and after that make one double crochet at top of the same front post, and then work one back post double crochet around each double crochet and each back post double crochet, and continue this sequence until the end. Now at the end of round 5 we've increased the stitches again, and the number of the stitches is 12 more than the stitches of previous round again. And after that we should make one slip stitch into the second chain after the front post single crochet, and as you can see the number of front post double crochets and double crochets in each round are the same, but the number of back post double crochets in each round is one more than the previous round. For example, in round 3 we have 1 back post. In round 4 we have 2 back posts, and in round 5 we have 3 back posts, and this sequence should be repeated in each round. For example, in next round, round 6, we should have 1 front post, 1 double crochet, and 4 back posts. Again, in next round, round 7, we should have 1 front post, 1 double crochet, and 5 back post double crochets. And you should remember that make these double crochets after each front post double crochet, and don't ignore them because these double crochets increase the stitches of each round. Okay, so continue this sequence for each round, and in each round make 1 front post double crochet around each front post double crochet of previous round, then make 1 double crochet at top of that, and after that make 1 double crochet around next stitches of each repeat, and repeat this sequence 11 more times. I will repeat this sequence several times and then I'll come back. Okay, I made round 6 until round 14, and in round 14 we have 1 front post double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 12 back post double crochets in each repeat. I made these rounds based on this chart that you can see on your screen. And now the diameter of our circle has reached 10.5 inches. That's suitable for adult size, or 27 centimeters. And from now on we don't need to increase the number of stitches, and we should make the same number of stitches. For this work, make 1 front post single crochet and then chain 2 as the first front post double crochet, and we don't need to make double crochet at top of same front post stitch, okay, because we don't need to increase the number of stitches. And we should only make 1 back post double crochet around next double crochet, and each of next 12 back posts, or 13 stitches in total. So in each repeat make 1 front post double crochet around front post of previous round, and don't make the double crochet at top of that. And after that make 13 back post double crochets, and repeat this sequence 11 more times. And after this round we should repeat this round 3 more times, and then we come back to start decreasing the hat. After making those 4 rounds from round 15 until round 18, these 4 rounds, we should start decreasing and decrease the number of back post double crochets in each repeat from 13 to 11 in this round. So start round 19 with 1 front post single crochet and chain 2 as a front post double crochet, and then make 1 decrease back post double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook around next 2 stitches at the same time from the back, and pull the yarn to back, yarn over 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And then make 1 back post double crochet around each of next stitches except the last 2. Yarn over and make next back post double crochet around the next, back post double crochet around the next, and repeat that work until here. Now make 1 decrease back post double crochet around these 2 stitches, the last 2 back posts of previous round at the same time. Okay, and now we have 1 front post double crochet and 11 back post double crochets, 1 decrease, 9 back post double crochets, and 1 decrease at the end. Okay, and then repeat this sequence. We should decrease the first 2 back posts and the last 2 back posts, and work 1 back post double crochet around middle 9 back posts, and continue that sequence. And after that, for next 3 rounds, we should work based on this chart that you can see on your screen and make next 3 rounds, and then we come back to start the brim of the beret hat. Now I'm at the end of round 22, and we have 1 front post double crochet and 5 back post double crochets in each repeat of 12 repeats. And the number of our stitches is 72. And now we should start the brim of the beret hat. Make 1 front post single crochet and then 2 chains. Then make 1 back post double crochet around the next back post. After that, make 1 front post double crochet around the next back post, and 1 back post around the next back post. Again, 1 front post double crochet and 1 back post double crochet. And repeat these 6 stitches. 1 front post double crochet around the next, 1 back post around the next. And continue that work 2 more times. And after that, repeat this sequence and continue that work until the end. After joining to the first stitch, start round 24 in the same way with 1 front post single crochet and chain 2 as a front post double crochet, and then make 1 back post double crochet around next back post. And in this round, and each of next rounds, we should make 1 front post around each front post and 1 back post around each back post. Okay, so make 1 front post around this stitch, that's a front post, and 1 back post double crochet around the next back post. Repeat that work. 1 front post and then 1 back post, and repeat this sequence until the end of the round. And after that, I want to repeat this round 4 more times to have 6 rounds of these front posts and back posts in total for the brim of the hat. I made 6 rounds for the brim, and now I should fasten off and cut the yarn. And then hide the tail through the stitches of last row. And now our beautiful crochet double-sided beret hat is ready. You can use this side of your beret hat or turn around your work and use the other side of that. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a nice day.